Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can change the bed and nozzle temperature in OrcaSlicer. This is going to be extremely simple, so let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to, of course, navigate through your filament. So in my case, I'm going to change the Creality generic PLA right here. Now, of course, there's going to be different temperatures for different filament types, but I'm going to select this specific filament. Click on the pencil icon to edit out the preset of this specific filament. And basically from here, this is going to be the default settings for our PLA filaments. And if you want to change the nozzle temperature, you simply want to scroll down, and inside this page, we then have the print temperature nozzle for the first layer and other layers. And then we have the bed temperature for once again, for our first layer and other layers. This is going to be set to Celsius, so you just have to keep that in mind. So from here, you can just change this to whatever you want to, and you should be good to go. And after changing the print nozzle temperature and the bed temperature, you can save this specific preset or setting by clicking on the save icon. And basically, you can name this to something like maybe PLA calibrated. And then let's click on the user preset and click on OK. Now that we have another preset that we can go ahead and use on our filaments. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.